In modern manufacturing, innovation moves at the speed of data. From advanced product design to predictive maintenance, teams rely on high-performance infrastructure to model, test, and optimize complex systems without disruption. VDURA delivers the power to accelerate engineering efficiency with robust data management, unmatched durability, and seamless scalability. VDURA helps manufacturers manage massive design and simulation datasets with ease. Our platform's balanced, parallel architecture provides high-speed throughput, linear scalability, and total reliability, ensuring your data pipeline runs as efficiently as your production line. The VDURA Data Platform has all NVMe flash for active design and AI/ML workflows, cost-efficient HDD tiers for long-term test data retention, unified global namespace for simple management, and automated tiering and intelligent data movement tools. VDURA makes it easy to use the right media for the right workflow, helping you optimize performance and budget, all while minimizing downtime and complexity. For over 2 decades, VDURA has powered innovation across design, engineering, and production. Are you ready to modernize your manufacturing data infrastructure?